Pradesh Congress Committee has strongly condemned the incidents of arson and attack at Tangkhul Naga villages in Kamjong district. Speaking in this regard at Congress Bhavan today, President of MPCC Okram Ibobi has blamed both centre and state governments for the incident. He asserted that inaction from centre and state government has resulted to suffering of people in border villages. Speaking further, Okram Ibobi has maintained that unrest began since BJP government came to power in Manipur in 2017 and people have been left confused on who is in charge of the law and order situation in Manipur. While mentioning about series of violence incidents such as the one that occurred in Tronglaubi, Ukhrul Road and in Kamjong district yesterday, Okram Ibobi said there are 3 Assam Rifles camps near Namli, Wangli and Choro villages, and a big question arises on how this attack happened despite Assam Rifles guarding the border. The Congress leader further asserted that state government must ensure public safety despite external aggression. On the other hand, working president of MPCC Victor Singh also drew the attention of both centre and state government on the threats faced by villagers in Kamjong district along Indo-Myanmar border and appealed government to take appropriate action to prevent any violence and untoward incidents in these border villages.
Responsibility guidance districts village Humji, Shoro, Adegi, Namli, Wangli, which is 10 to 15 villages, including market ground and Lake Haroda. Alukarada, central force labor, some rifle stations say, Kaiko, Aluga, Aloya, Amasun, Assam Pule, Ato Haiba, and second thought Kriba say, Masiyama, not my station, central force, Line station, power labor. Kaya kung si kang na yena lagi marang na incident, aduga Tronglaubi incident, kung yena lagi no moy Gujarat, Pukutaba, UP, the Pukutaba, or any other state that Pukutaba, moy kaya yena lagi. The Christ steps later, Toge, Yam Toba, I know nothing but make them let them suffer. I will give home say, Sarkar, by me, Narika, honorable MLA. Foreign aggression your AI. Foreign aggression will be internal aggression will be in all front up. Must life and property. Kamjong will be who knows? I am you can't show that to be must not be died irresponsible union government, state government. Quite irresponsible.